Welcome back, everyone. So here are some video instructions for getting started this weekend. This is what you see when you log into the TICFP website. From this point on, I'm going to call it Camillo. So when we're in Camillo, we want to, first of all, open up the chat and leave it open at all time. I think you just need to click it and a separate window opens up, and you'll be able to chat with me or anybody else through the day. So let's minimize that now. Now, the place we want to go is right here, Learning Path. If I click on Learning Path, I will see older operating systems. We are in Module 3, older operating systems, and this learning path will contain all the work for weekends 1 and 2. When you return next weekend, there will be another learning path for that weekend. So let's go ahead and click on older operating systems. You can see the assignments that we completed last week. Assignment 1 and 2, we're installing VirtualBox and Fedora Linux, and then we began using Linux. We logged in, we entered a few commands, we switched terminals, and then assignment 7 gave you a chance to learn a little bit about operating systems in general, their concepts and history. I uploaded a few more videos for you from YouTube, a few extra commands in case you finished early last week. The place we want to begin today or this weekend is right here where it says March 21. So if I click on that, I will get a YouTube video that gives you some instructions. So let me go ahead and click that so you can see how it works. So you can follow along, and if you want to try something out that you see in the video, just pause it and then go to Fedora, start Fedora Linux yourself, and you can do the exact same thing. Now, if it's a little bit small, okay, if I just click here, it's not so bad, but in subsequent reviews, if I go to the review of 2A and 2B, actually let's go all the way to 3. So these are reviews of assignments 3, 4, 5, and 6 from last week. These are the assignments you did, and here is a video review of it. If you take a look, sometimes the text might be a little small. So the way you would solve that problem, normally you do a full screen, and if you come here, you'll see the full screen is disabled. But if you come right beside it, you'll see a YouTube link. Click on that YouTube link, and it will take you straight to that video on YouTube, and then you'll be able to maximize it and watch that video in review. Okay, now another thing I'd like to emphasize here is if it's not terribly clear here, come to the little gear icon you see here, and you might want to consider bumping up your resolution. So if your resolution is really low, like 240p or 144p, you might not be able to read the text or the commands as they're entered. You can go up to as high as 720p or high definition if your internet connection supports it. So again, if you can't really read the commands or read the information that are found in these video lectures, just bump it up. Okay, and the way I was able to go there, one more time, there are embedded videos in Camillo. And if you just click on YouTube right here, not the maximize window, but YouTube, it will bring you straight to YouTube, and you'll be able to watch the video from there.